Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Make these investments to become rich. Number 1. Invest in stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful strategy for those looking to grow their wealth. With numerous options available for investors such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, it's important to understand the potential risks and rewards associated with each type of investment. By researching companies, staying up to date with market trends, and developing a diversified portfolio, investors can increase their chances of achieving financial success. As a result, investing wisely in the stock market can be a prime method for achieving long-term prosperity. Number 2. Put money into a high-yield savings account. This not only provides a secure place for your money, but also allows it to grow through competitive interest rates. By making regular deposits and taking advantage of the power of compound interest, you can gradually increase your savings. Overall, high-yield savings accounts offer an accessible and effective method for anyone seeking a low-risk approach to building their financial future. Number 3. Invest in real estate. One of the key benefits of this approach is the potential for long-term appreciation and wealth accumulation. Real estate investments offer a tangible asset that can provide security and stability. As such, those who strategically invest in the property market can witness significant financial growth and success in the long run. Number 4. Buy mutual funds. As more people recognize the potential of this investment, it has become increasingly evident that purchasing mutual funds can serve as a viable strategy to grow one's wealth. By diversifying your portfolio through the acquisition of various funds, you not only position yourself to reap the benefits of market growth, but also reduce the risk associated with placing all your financial eggs in one basket. With careful research and strategic decision-making, investing in mutual funds can indeed be a stepping stone to becoming rich and securing a stable financial future. Number 5. Invest in a diversified portfolio. By spreading investments across various asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you can minimize the risk of significant loss, while also increasing the potential for higher returns. This strategy is crucial for those looking to accumulate wealth over time and secure a prosperous future. Furthermore, embracing diversification in your investment approach lays the foundation for savvy financial decision-making and adaptability in ever-changing market conditions. Number 6. Put money into a retirement account. One such method to safeguard your financial security is by consistently investing in retirement accounts, which offer tax advantages and long-term growth potential. By doing so, you not only develop a stable nest egg for your golden years but also bolster your overall investment portfolio, ensuring a richer and more comfortable retirement. Number 7. Start a business. Starting a business is an adventurous endeavor that can lead to immense rewards, both personal and financial. With the right strategy, hard work, and determination, aspiring entrepreneurs can build wealth and make their dreams of becoming rich a reality. The journey to business success often involves overcoming challenges, learning from failures, and adapting to an ever-changing market. This unparalleled experience of creating something from scratch, watching it grow, and reaping the benefits can be a life-changing path for those who dare to pursue it. Number 8. Participate in a crowdfunding campaign. To achieve financial success, one effective approach is to participate in a crowdfunding campaign as it offers a wealth of opportunities for both investors and entrepreneurs. Through this innovative funding model, individuals can support the projects they believe in while simultaneously reaping the rewards of their investments, thus enabling them to become prosperous. Time and time again, we have witnessed the success stories of those who have made a fortune by investing in groundbreaking projects that transcend boundaries in various industries. Harnessing the power of crowdfunding, these investors have not only contributed to the realization of innovative ideas, but also secured their own financial well-being by capitalizing on the campaign's potential. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Purchase rental properties for passive income. Investing in rental properties is an excellent strategy for generating passive income and achieving financial freedom. By purchasing and managing rental properties, one can steadily grow their wealth over time while gaining valuable experience in the real estate market. The potential for high returns on investment, combined with the stability of this asset class, makes rental property ownership an attractive option for any aspiring entrepreneur. Implementing smart strategies and leveraging various financing options can expedite the process of accumulating a diverse real estate portfolio that will ultimately lead to financial success. Number 10. Invest in index funds. By offering a diversified portfolio with low fees, index funds allow investors to capitalize on the overall growth of the market rather than trying to pick individual winners. The power of compounding returns ensures that even small contributions can grow significantly over the long term. Ultimately, placing one's trust in index funds can pave the way to a more prosperous and financially secure future. Number 11. Patents or intellectual property. This lucrative area offers the opportunity to capitalize on their unique ideas and innovations, potentially resulting in financial gain. By protecting their creations through legal means, inventors and entrepreneurs can secure exclusive rights to market and profit from their inventions. Number 12. Invest in education and self-improvement. By investing in our knowledge and skill set, we are paving the way for greater opportunities and a higher standard of living. A strong foundation in education empowers individuals to make well-informed decisions, fostering prosperity in various aspects of their lives. Ultimately, incorporating a lifelong commitment to learning and personal growth equips us with the necessary resources to thrive and become rich. Number 13. Invest in your health and wellness. By nurturing your physical and mental well-being, you lay the foundation for success and happiness in all areas of your life. The rewards of a healthy lifestyle extend far beyond the numbers in your bank account. They manifest as increased productivity, enhanced self-esteem, and greater resilience in the face of challenges. By prioritizing your health, you are not only investing in yourself, but also in the quality of relationships and experiences that define your life. Number 14. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is an effective way to increase your income and reach financial freedom. By investing time and effort into a well-chosen venture, you can create additional streams of revenue that contribute to wealth building. This entrepreneurial journey not only allows you to control your destiny, but also improves your skills and knowledge. Identifying the right side hustle and consistently working on it can result in achieving success and ultimately becoming rich. Number 15. Invest in art or collectibles. This approach may require patience and an eye for identifying unique pieces or trends that others overlook. By carefully curating and maintaining a collection, one can increase their chances of substantial returns in the future. Diversifying one's investment portfolio with art and collectibles adds a layer of protection against market fluctuations, ensuring a more stable financial foundation. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.